Hello everyone, this is Matthew from I Love Free Software TV. In this video, I am going to show you how to get Firefox Lockbox app for Android. Lockbox was originally released on iOS last year, but if you want to use it on Android then you can now do that. Firefox has released the beta version of the Lockbox app for Android users. It shows all the stored passwords in your Firefox account and keeps the passwords database updated. So, let's start and have a look at this app and see how to install it. It is not available on Google Play Store right now, so you will have to install it using its APK file. For that, go to its GitHub page using the link in the description. From the Releases section, download the APK file. After downloading, install it, and wait for the installation process to finish. Now, open the app and sign in using your Firefox account. It will take a few seconds and will show you a list of all the passwords. You can view password of any site and even copy it to the clipboard. This way, you can use Firefox Lockbox on Android right now. If you often keep most of your passwords in Firefox browser, then this is a useful app. You can have access to all your passwords without even installing Firefox browser app. That's it guys, this is how you can get Firefox Lockbox Android app. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up below and remember to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Bye for now.